What's up, guys? Guess where we are headed? We are taking a road trip to Las Vegas, Nevada, all the way from Tempe, Arizona. Now we're gonna do a little bit of gambling, a little bit of just walking around Vegas, Now along the way, we're gonna stop by some places, and guess where I'm at right now? I wanted to explore a little bit, road trip. You can't really have a road trip without exploring. So I am here at the Hoover Dam, and I wanted to just stop here to just kind of show you guys how beautiful this place is. Anyways, without further ado, let's go and check it out. Welcome to the spot. These are the rules. Make sure you do follow the rules. Is that a shortcut? Damn. Wrong way. Wow. Decisions.
I know, but yeah, even if in Montana. What's that?
It is hot, and we gotta walk all the way to the top. Yep. I might have to take a little bit of shortcut. I don't know if they have a shortcut, because I'm not about to walk. Well, I don't think I have a choice, guys. And so we got other places to see after this, guys. I've been here before, but the first time I was here, I really didn't take the time to shoot anything for you guys, but this time I will. Hey. All right, we're almost there. Nah, I'm just kidding. We're not there yet. So let's go show you guys Big Rock. And then show you guys the stairs that I just came from. Alright, all the way. Jump through here. This right here. This is where it all began. Whew. This looks like it's been here for a while.
It's really not a very good view.
I love this. It's like a nice looking hallway. You can hear I'm running out of breath already. The huge rock. You know, I don't know how they be building this shit. That's crazy. No, enter at your own risk. And this is the highway that we just came off from. We're gonna go all the way to the middle of the bridge and then we'll walk ourselves back. Alrighty. That is some breathtaking views. Look at that beauty. Wow. Breathtaking. Breathtaking. Absolutely breathtaking. Scary at the same time too. Let's see if we can get in the middle. Look at that beauty. I think this is close to the middle. Yes, we can. Wow, look at that. Look at it, those cars down there. Let's see if I can zoom in. This is beauty right here. The beauty of exploring, the beauty of road trip. Look at this. Man. The engineering is just crazy. I don't know how long it took to build this, but I'm gonna look it up. Hoover Dam tours. This is too wild. No public access. Oh, wow.
Well, yeah.
Because this is a federal property.
Also, people would just be killing themselves. Up
Yes,
there. Yeah.
yes.
So that's the bridge that we were at.
So many
Jeez.
just because this is a federal property.
Edwidge!
Look at these awesome gold-plated doors. Jeez. Beautiful. All right, I do my own tours. Nevada time. Hoover Dam, 1935. I guess that's when they started building it, or when they were finished with it. This is ridiculous. Jesus. That's scary at the same time.
To my right side, as we are approaching these
Wow, look at
two
this.
huge statues, they're basically called the winged figures of the Republic. They're huge bronze Art Deco statues created by sculptor Oscar J.W. Henson in 1930s, and they symbolize the strength of mankind, scientific achievement, and courage it took to build a dam. Each statue is about 30 feet tall and has a winged, almost angel like appearance, which is why many people think they look mysterious or mythological.
up, guys? So we are on the other side of the dam, and check it out, guys. This is wonderful. Let's start over here. It's amazing. Alright guys, I am done getting cooked right now. The sun is killing me. So I am going to Vegas right now. As you can hear, the AC is blasting because I can't even feel the damn AC. So I'll see you guys in Vegas. Yo, what's up guys? We finally made it to Vegas. Just freshen up. I'm about to go downstairs right now. Grab me something to drink or something to eat, and yeah, and then basically, yeah, we'll go from there. So what's up guys, we are here in Vegas and we're gonna test our luck today. I got $100 bills, all in 20s. We'll see how we do on the slot machines, and if we're getting no luck, we're gonna go ahead and leave. We're not about to blow some money. By the way, earlier I didn't catch it on camera, but I ended up winning $1,600 using the $20 method. But yeah, I'm here, and I'm here at the Dragon League, and so I'm trying to test my luck one more time. Hey, it's just, they say if you're hot, you're hot, you know. But make sure you are disciplined. Anyways, can you guys guess which casino I'm at right now? Leave it in the comment section. So I take 20 bucks in. I don't have a player's card because I don't be here a lot, you know what I mean? We're gonna start with the 1 cent Dino, only 50 cents, you know, just testing our luck, and then changing it on each. So yeah, 50 credit. Let's go. Start playing. 1. Ooh. Check that. Okay. Not bad. If you don't know, this is Dragon Link, by the way. So we're looking for a bonus here. Okay. Not get, as long as you're getting those kickbacks, we're good. But you know, it's not a lot of kickbacks, so because you're betting 50 cents on a 35 cent, you know. So now it's 76 cents. Come on, let's get this bonus going. Yeah. We're just gonna choose a dragon. Holy smoke, no way. Come on, give me something. Okay, that's nothing. Anyways, we're gonna go to the next thing. Alright guys, we're gonna play Mega Bucks. Here's $20 in. Let's rock and roll. something. Minor bucks. Give me 3 times, 4 times. There we go. Won $5. Not bad. Okay, another $5. Minor $7. Okay, so $136 right there. Gonna do 3 spins and that's it. We need it. Jeez. Oh man, we would have had $4,000 right there. 2. And last one. Okay, 38. I'm gonna do 3 more spins. Oh. We're getting closer. 2. And last one. Alright, let's get the heck out of here. Taking the money and run. Yo, what's up guys? I am tired of, I'm going home. I just lost that $100. I'm not gonna lose no more than that. I already took my winnings from that 1600 and I'm definitely not losing that one. I'm taking that home to pay for my trip and everything here and know your discipline and everything. So I'm going back into the hotel room, about to be knocked out because I'm checking out in the morning. All right guys, see ya. What's up guys? It's almost checkout time for me. I'm basically just kind of finishing up packing my stuff right now. Last night, yeah, I did say, hey, I lost $100, but I came back to the Strat and I put in $100 into the same machine that I won that 1600, and I won an extra 170. So I got my money back that I lost from the Strat. Anyways, yeah, I guess everything kind of just happens behind the scenes. I'm not sure why, but anytime that I'm not recording, I would win something. But anyways, guys, I'll check with you guys later. I'm about to get the hell out of here, warm up my food, and eat some breakfast. All right, peace.